Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Fidelity's health savings account investment options. All right, if you've been wondering how to use Fidelity's health savings account investment options, this video is going to show you the way. It's going to be a quick one, just going to give you guys a step-by-step guide on how to do this. So the first thing we're going to do, of course, is to log into our Fidelity account. Now you can choose to log into your Fidelity account on online through the website, or you can choose to do so on the mobile app on your mobile device. Now once you're logged into your account, you just want to click on investment products, and then you're going to select HSA investment options. Here you can browse the HSA investment options. You got mutual funds, ETFs and whatnot available, and you can use the options to invest HSA funds. And you can also monitor the investment activities, as well as to adjust the investment portfolio as needed. And you can use the options to grow your HSA funds. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Fidelity's health savings account investment option. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I will catch you guys in the next